Hook, ever wondered if opening a Monzo account would require you to jump through hoops? Well, today, we're diving into that very question. Does Monzo check ID? Context: Monzo, the UK-based digital bank, has gained immense popularity for its user-friendly interface and innovative features. But when it comes to opening an account, is there a verification process involved? Let's find out. The ID verification process. Initial account setup. When you first sign up for a Monzo account, you'll be asked to provide basic personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Verification methods. To ensure the security of your account and comply with anti-money laundering regulations, Monzo employs a multi-layered verification process. This typically involves one or more of the following. Photo ID verification. You may be required to upload a clear photo of a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driving license. Monzo uses advanced facial recognition technology to compare the photo on your ID with a selfie you take during the verification process. Address verification. To confirm your residential address, Monzo may conduct a soft credit check. This doesn't affect your credit score and is primarily used to verify your identity. Bank account linking. In some cases, you may be able to verify your identity by linking your Monzo account to an existing bank account. The speed of verification. The time it takes to complete the verification process can vary depending on the method used and the quality of the documents provided. However, Monzo strives to make this process as quick and seamless as possible. Why does Monzo need to verify your identity? Anti-money laundering, AML, compliance. Monzo is obligated to comply with AML regulations, which require financial institutions to verify the identity of their customers. This helps prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. Fraud prevention. By verifying your identity, Monzo can reduce the risk of fraud and protect your funds. Enhanced security. A verified account provides an extra layer of security, making it less susceptible to unauthorized access. Is there a way to avoid ID verification? Unfortunately, there is no way to completely avoid ID verification when opening a Monzo account. This is a standard requirement for all financial institutions. However, Monzo's verification process is designed to be as efficient and user-friendly as possible. The steps involved are relatively straightforward, and the technology used is reliable. Conclusion. So, does Monzo check ID? Absolutely. It's a crucial part of their account opening process to ensure compliance with regulations and protect your funds. While the verification process may seem like an extra step, it's a necessary one to safeguard your financial information. If you're considering opening a Monzo account, be prepared to provide the necessary documentation to complete the verification process. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Monzo or its features, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.